So today's topic is unexpected challenges. Okay.
Unexpected challenges. Yeah,
Yes.
no problem. Yes.
So we're going to talk about a situation, and I want to know what you would do in that situation. Okay. Right. So the situation is that you were sleeping at home, and around 6 o'clock in the morning, you get a visitor at home, and they ring the bell. Okay. You open the door and you see that there are police officers waiting outside, and they tell you that you are under arrest. But when you ask them for what reason or for what crime, right, what am I accused of, they don't tell you what you're accused of. They just tell you you're arrested, you need to come with us to the police station. Okay. They take you to the police station. They're waiting, you're waiting there basically. In that situation, what would you do?
Yeah, first thing I will try to contact with my parents, my relative, my friend circle, because unexpected, like without any reason, they caught me. They didn't mention like your mistake, you caught like this punishment, this guilty, like that.
Yeah.
So
You can say that correctly. They didn't tell me why I was arrested, or they didn't tell me what crime am I accused of.
yes, right.
Can
Yeah.
you repeat that?
So they didn't tell me like what crime and accused of something.
What
And
crime
what
am I accused of? Or you can
okay,
say,
right.
what is the accusation?
Okay, what crime am I accused of, and what is the excuses? They didn't mention.
No. Accusation. Accusation means, if I tell, let's say you and I are neighbors, and I tell the police that Samir has, stolen something from me. So I'm accusing you. My
Okay.
accusation is that you have stolen something.
Mhm.
Should I type it
Okay.
for you?
Yeah, please type for me, because I'm not getting proper
Okay.
accusation. So, yeah,
I'll
please
just
tell me.
find the Google meaning and I'll paste the meaning as well.
Okay, okay.
You can go on. What will you do?
Yeah. Accused. Yeah, accused.
Accusation. Accused is the past form of accused. Yeah.
So if I'm not wrong, if I say like accused means aparad, I think.
Yes. No,
Okay.
it's not aprad. Aprad is crime.
Okay.
Accused is
Judge of people, like maybe you are guilty.
I've forgotten how to say it.
Even I'm also confusing how to say.
1 second. दोष आरोप. क्या आरोप लगाया आपने?
Arop. Yeah, arop. Like
Accusation.
point you are, you did a crime, like point out,
Yes.
like that. Okay.
A
Oh, I see.
charge, accusation means a charge or claim that someone has done something illegal or wrong. Right?
Okay.
That is the example I've given you. Ki I've accused you of stealing something. It doesn't mean you have done it. Right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
it's accusation. It's not
Okay.
proved yet. There's no proof yet that you have done it. So they arrest you, and they might have a reason, but you don't know what the reason is.
Yes.
They did not told you what the accusation is. Who आपका आरोप क्या है, उन्होंने ये नहीं बोला कि क्यों
Right.
arrest किया, ये नहीं बोला आपको बस.
Yes. They just arrested and they talk about like, please you visit with us in like in police station. Then after that, whatever your story, please tell, like that. So that moment, I tried to call my parents, my friend, and call them like, please come, shout out, I'm in a trouble. And I will get a clarification like, sir, no, sir, ma'am, why you arrested me? I mean, why you arrest me? Because I'm innocent guy. So I try to ask them in front of. Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Okay. See, I think today you're speaking a little fast again. We spoke about this, right? So
Yes.
let's just relax a little bit. Slow down a little bit because you're making mistakes again. Okay. Can you please say this word for me?
present, parents,
Yeah, it's parents,
parents,
not.
parents,
So you're saying pa is pa,
parents,
parents.
parents.
Yes, yes. Good.
Okay.
Let's move on. Let's say you call someone. Okay, you're allowed to make one phone call. So what you'll do is you'll either call your brother, your parents, your best friend, right? But they said they will come help you, but it will take them 2 or 3 hours to get there,
Mhm.
because they might be at work or they might be busy with something, they might be out of town. They
Mhm.
said they're driving to you and it will take some time, and you're like, okay, obviously I can't do anything about it, right? So
Mhm.
while you wait for them for the first 2 hours, right, what
Mhm.
sort of conversation would you have with the police officers at the police station?
So first of all, I will try to ask in front of police and some some person like sir, please tell me why you arrest me and I'm
Why
innocent guy.
have you arrested me? Past
Okay,
tense.
why have you arrested me? And you can see my background. You can do cross examination. I'm a student like that. I try to present my innocent like my story, sir. I think you got a wrong guy, maybe maybe. So I try to give my explanation in front of police, like, so that kind of conversation I will try to do with them.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Fair enough. I think everyone would want to do that, because
Yes.
you would feel that I haven't done anything. I don't know why they've arrested me, right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, my internet is a little unstable. It's from my
Okay.
side. Okay. I hope I
Yeah.
have,
No,
it
no
should work
problem.
now.
No.
Yeah. Okay, you'll tell them that. That's nice. Um, Now let's say you know that you can get out of this situation by
Mhm.
bribing the police officer. That's an option, right?
Yeah.
um, would you do it? I'll give you a better example. One second. No, don't answer that question. Wait. uh, let's say they arrest you at 7 in the morning, okay,
Yeah.
and you have a really important presentation at 10 o'clock at work on the same day. Like some very very big client is coming in, they're giving you like a 10 crore project, some sort of big amount, okay, and you've not done anything wrong, so you can get out.
Yes.
But that will take time and you might miss the presentation. Okay, if you miss the
Yeah.
presentation you get fired, because it's a big account, right? That's a lot of money. So in
Yeah.
that case, to get out early, would you consider bribing the police officer?
Yes, I try to convince her, please, please give me some time because it's very important meeting. And if I attend, and I try to, tell her all story, whole story, like, sir, today is very important day and I have to attend, otherwise I will be fired. So,
I think you and I both know they don't care.
yeah, they don't care,
They
right?
don't care. Even if you
So,
come up with the story, they'll say, yeah, sure, why not? Yes. Now shut up and sit down. That's what they'll say.
right, but as for if possible, then I try to like bagging something, sir, please let me go, please let me go, you can take my all details, everything whatever you want. Okay, so I try to bag, like, sir, please, just release me.
Beg.
Beg.
Beg,
Beg.
yeah. You're saying bag, B-A-G. Beg.
Okay,
I'll
BAG.
try begging or I'll beg. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm
Yeah.
so sorry to interrupt you. Please go on.
No, no, it's okay. Yeah, this is interesting. When you try to correct me, so I feel like, yeah, this is right. So I learned something about my mistake.
Thank
So
you.
this is great. Yeah.
Good. So, see, now you know they don't care. They don't care
Yes.
what you have to do. They'll always assume you're trying to escape, right?
Mhm.
Because
Right.
in their eyes, you are
Mhm.
accused of something. You are the criminal, right?
Mhm.
Or even though they don't have proof, it's their job to make sure that you don't escape, right?
Mhm.
So you don't want to escape, even though you're saying, yeah, I have a presentation, I have this, I have that. They're not going to believe you. So you still
Mhm.
haven't answered my question. Would you bribe them or no?
So that moment maybe I get a one option, like I try to find my lawyer, like, please short off this
You are
problem.
not answering my question. You keep talking about something else. You're not answering my question. Stop avoiding my question.
Yeah, actually, I'm out of touch about this situation. Like,
It's a yes or no question. Like it's a yes or no answer. Sorry, just would you bribe them or would you not bribe them? That is the question.
yes, I would be like, right. I
Okay.
would be,
I would bribe them.
I would, right. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. No, not good. I don't mean good. I meant good answer. Like the way you answered it was good. Okay. So obviously to get to the presentation, you would consider giving them a bribe, right?
Yes.
Now let's say you don't give them a bribe, okay? Um, because you don't want to give them a bribe because it's wrong, right?
Yeah.
Do you think it's worth missing the presentation for this situation?
It was no, actually, already I decided that was it's very important for me. So how do I say it was nothing? Because you mentioned that, like, if you
Worth.
not
I said worth.
worth, yeah, this is worth. Okay,
Do you
I
think?
heard of worst. Okay.
Yeah, sorry, it might be my mistake. I'll change the question.
Okay.
Let's say the police. Okay, now you've waited for 2 hours. Okay, the police officer comes to you and he says, "We're so sorry, sir. We were trying to arrest someone else and we arrested you by mistake." Okay, this is at like 11 o'clock or something after your presentation is over also. That we were trying to arrest someone else. We arrested you by mistake. This is a mistaken identity. Um, this is the problem basically.
Yes.
What would be your reaction?
Yeah, my reaction will be like, sir, what's wrong with me? What's wrong with you? Like, because if you do mistake, then who will
Make
respond?
make a mistake.
Okay, if you make mistake, then who will respond? Today, today my presentation was there, I didn't attend, and you took a wrong guy. So even whatever I like, how do I say, whatever I had some preparation in the morning time, that moment you got me and you just spread my schedule and everything, then who will respond? Then I try to little bit shout. I know that they are, but I will try.
Obviously, you are frustrated. You will tell them what you feel.
Yes.
Fair enough. Okay. So, do you think? Firstly, I'll just give you a correction. You said they sprayed my schedule. I don't know what you were trying to say. I think what you're trying to say is they wasted a lot of your time, right? They ruined your day and your presentation, right? And even though you were trying to explain to them that I'm innocent, I didn't do anything, you didn't
Yes.
listen, right? Because you're like, you made a mistake, fine, but at least listen to me when I'm telling you you made a mistake,
Yes.
right? So this is, even I would be very frustrated, by the way, if this happened.
So, sir, I have a one question. Please say, please shout out please answer me. Like, yeah, you're right. We can say whenever I get any topic, okay, suppose you mentioned that unexpected challenge and something like travel, like a casual topic. So that moment I feel too like nervous. I have an answer, but I do not try to answer like, I don't know what happened with me. So what should I do? How
I'll
do
give
I
you an
give?
exercise, okay? And I will talk quickly because we have 3 minutes. So I'll
Okay,
give you the exercise and you can look at the video again and
please.
write it down, okay?
Yeah.
This is one exercise I like doing. It's one of my favorite exercises. When it comes to a topic, the first thing you should do is think of 3 topics in that. So let's say I'm talking about Facebook, okay? Or let's talk about, no, let's talk about Facebook. I'll keep it simple. Why do I visit Facebook? Someone asks you, are you on Facebook? Samir, are you on Facebook? You'll say, yes, I'm on Facebook because I like chatting with my friends. I like looking at funny videos and I love playing the games on Facebook like Candy Crush, 8 Ball Pool, right? Poker. A lot of people do that. So these are 3 things I want to mention when I'm talking about Facebook. What happens when you choose first 3 things is when I say Facebook, 10,000 things will come in your mind. That is why you get confused. You're like, oh, I want to talk about this. and half of the sentence is over. I also want to talk about this. Here, put this also inside. Right? It becomes a khichdi. You're mixing everything up.
Right.
Select what you want to eat or select what you want to say and just say it, because you cannot talk about everything every time, right? So select, prioritize. It's very important to know what you're saying before you say it. That's why we say that think first and then talk, right? So pick 3 words, make one sentence. I love Facebook because I love playing the games on there. I love 8 ball pool, I love chess. I play these games on Facebook. I also love watching funny videos on Facebook, right? Simple sentences.
Okay.
Once you're done making 3 sentences, let the other person talk. Okay. So I'll say this and then you'll say, oh, even I play 8 ball pool. What is your level? Or how much money do you have on 8 ball pool, right? This is how conversations happen. Generally, I've seen a lot of learners make mistakes because they feel an English conversation means I only have to talk all the time. That's not how it works. I'll talk and then you talk, and then I'll talk and then you talk. That's why sometimes when I ask you a question, hi, have you ever done a course on personality development? And the person says, no. Conversation's over. What do I say? Right? So prioritize what you're going to say. Pick 1 or 2 things only. Don't say everything. So in one sentence, I can't say, I love playing games and getting high scores, but I also love watching videos, because videos are really funny. But I also like watching memes. In that one sentence, I'm putting 4 things, 3 things, 4 things. It gets so confusing. Okay.
Yes.
So clarity of thought is very important. Practice this. Pick one random topic a day and make 3 sentences on 3 words. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Let's say you're traveling. You see a private BST bus or any government bus. Make 3 topics. How cheap it is to travel in a government bus, hygiene, and the routes, basically the system of how it works. Make 3 sentences. The hygiene of government buses are really bad in my city. The tickets are very cheap because they are encouraging saving fuel. And the third point, you get my idea, you get the point.
Yes. Yeah, I'm getting your points, everything. Like clarification is very important. Just choose a one particular topic and just talk, make a 3 sentence and like clear yourself, like explain properly.
Yes,
Don't mix up like here and there.
exactly. This is like going to a city for one day, but in that one day you want to do everything. You want to watch a movie also, you want to eat at that place also, you want to go meet a friend also. You can't do everything. You will miss out on something, then it's fine. Okay. So don't panic and don't feel the pressure is on you. Both of us have to talk equally. Just remember that. Again, if I was talking too fast, please look at the recording and check what I said.